It is a salted caramel iced mocha. Hey guys, Tanya here, blooming in place. I am missing my Starbucks. There are a few open, but I'm not, I'm not going out for that. And I don't want to have an employee of Starbucks say, really, I'm risking my life to serve you a mocha drink. So I am going to make my own here at home. I'm making 4 cups of coffee worth of water, but I put 6 cups of coffee worth of coffee in the basket. I'm not going to brew it for any longer. Not going to do anything different except that it will make a very strong pot of coffee. And for the Frappuccino drinks, if you have a machine, you can use your espresso machine. But I've got my coffee going here. It has not begun to perk yet. When it begins to perk, I let it perk actively for 4 minutes, and then I turn it off because the pot holds the heat. And even when I turn the heat off, it will continue to perk for 1 more minute. You can take 1 tablespoon of cocoa to 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and mix it together. You can use a powdered sugar if you want to. Granulated sugar tends to work better. I have this drinking cocoa. Always want to turn your cocoa or your flour into a paste before you add it to a liquid. I have the advantage of actually having a leftover Starbucks cup from when I was there before the pandemic. They add the milk, right? Pick a line, any line. That's what the baristas do. In the cup, we've used about a cup of milk, about a tablespoon of the chocolate, and now we're adding the coffee, the strong coffee, and taking it to that line. Normally, I do not add sugar to my whipped cream, but for the Starbucks recipe, they do. Add about a cup of ice. I don't have those little cubes that they use, so I am kind of stuck with the big ones. And there we have it. Now, they of course would fill it right to the top, put one of those dome lids on, fill the domed lid with whipped cream, and add some chocolate on top. For me, I guess I could add a few more ice cubes because I want it to be cold. Got the whipped cream. If you have the canned whipped cream, that'll work. But look at that. Now, I do not have the chocolate syrup. Starbucks does sell theirs, as do many other competitors. And I don't have theirs. Whoop, 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 I'm losing it. It's going to run down the cup just like I'm at the drive-thru, and I'm going to get all sticky. That's mine so I can lick my fingers, right? Had to take a little drink to make some room. Got the whipped cream going on there. You add the caramel topping. You can see the salt. I'm not adding that much. That's just what sprinkled out. Put a few little sprinkles on top. It is a salted caramel iced mocha. Now, it is a good thing I skipped lunch.